Take a look at this one in 1985 BMW 625 CSI is the model of this one. Obviously, you can see two-door coupe. Does have rear seats. This particular car is powered by the M88 straight six-cylinder engine underneath there. It's a dual overhead cam engine. It's actually based on BMW's M49 dual overhead cam engine, which was their racing engine. Reliable power plant. That's paired with the optional 5-speed manual transmission. This particular car has about 95,000 miles on it, and it is what you call bronze beige. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, take a look underneath this video in the description. You're going to see a link you can click on that's going to take you to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call too. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached at. Just want to let you know this right up here is not a discoloration in the paint. That's actually just a reflection coming through the shades in the window behind me. If you look out of off the windshield, you see the reflection of it. Unfortunately, I get a few shadows or some bright lights in here once in a while when I'm doing the videos and pictures. And also on this one, if you look at the interior pics, it may look like the seats are striped or different colors. That is light also shining in there. Like right there, we see it's darker at the top, lighter at the bottom. That is not the case. That's shadowing. I will show you something on the interior though, as far as some discoloration, so you're aware of it. This vehicle has been owned by the current owners that brought it to us for consignment to sell for them. They've had it for the last 18 years. It's kind of their family-driven car, so they've driven it the last 18 years. I did notice on the Carfax, it states that there is a branded title from Illinois. These folks have a clean Minnesota title, so take that for what it is. We do have a clean Minnesota title for it. It can be titled in the state that you're in. VIN number matches the car, all of that stuff, but for some reason Carfax does show it was branded, and that was way back in 1987 with about 14,000 miles on it. So this car has been driven a lot of miles since then. Shouldn't say a lot, but 95,000 is where it's at now, and that was back at 14,000. So let's say 80,000 miles. Give you an idea. Paint seems to be in pretty nice shape. There is a little bit of bubbling. We can see that there. I did notice in some of the lower portions of it. And again, you can check out the still pictures. You can see the undersides at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, look down below in the description of this video. You're going to see a link. Click on that and you'll be able to check out all the still pictures. I'll come around and show you this one over here too. If you can kind of see, there's just a little bit of bubbling. Otherwise, not too bad. Should still make a reliable driver for somebody. And again, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726, number we can be reached at. We do welcome third-party inspectors. Maybe you'd like to have somebody come take a look at this car for you. Go right ahead, give us a call, and you can set that up. It's not a problem. All right, let me show you an interior of this. This is what the owners kind of pointed out to me too. You're going to notice some discoloration here on the armrests. What they believe it is the headliner on the sunroof is sagging a little bit, and there's a few stains up in the headliner, and they think it kind of came down on the seats and it stained the seats a little bit. The front ones aren't too bad. You'll see some of the it's almost like a rust colored or orangey colored speck, bronzish. This here is from shadowing. Otherwise that seat's all the same color, but you notice it more in the rear seats where it's picked up that darker hue. We have tried to clean it, a little tough getting it off. Now could they be re-dyed? I don't know, but leather's in nice shape. It's not ripped, it's not torn. As you can see, still very usable. We're gonna go ahead and start this up so you hear it run. Smooth running car. Like I said, 5-speed manual transmission in here. They have put in let me turn the blower off and how that works. 5-speed manual transmission. They have put in an aftermarket stereo system to it. I have the parking brake on. We're in neutral. Now, as you can see, there's no, engine indicator lights on, anything like that. Car does run smooth. Miles are at 95, 290. Like I said, I had the fan blowing in here. The radio has been on. And this is kind of a driver's information center. It's interesting in kilometers or Celsius. If I hit temp. What else today? Seats. All the functions on the seats work right here, except for the driver's side recliner. Doesn't want to, but as far as the forward and backwards, does work. The recliners and the headrests going up and down were the two I did not get to work. Radio did work. Power antenna works. Again, no indicator lights. That one that you see lit up, that's for the park brake. You want it to go off. There you go. So, park brake on that one. Let's slip out. We're going to listen to this from the back. See, hear how quiet it was inside there. Door closes nicely. Come around to the back, just smooth running. Inline 6 under the hood. One other thing I'm going to show you when I'm opening this hood, just so you know, the lever for the hood is way up underneath here, and it's more of a latch. You can see that. Now you can flip up the hood that way. The struts work in it. You can see how smooth this engine runs. Seems like it's been serviced well and well taken care of. Like I said, previous owners have had it 18 years and driven it quite a bit, 80,000 miles, give or take. R34 has been converted. It's a little cool where we're at here. I cannot tell you as far as the AC. It does turn on and off as far as inside the car because it switches vents. The AC button lights up. I can't tell you if it blows cold or not. But again, see how smooth that inline 6 runs there. Torquey engine, and like I said, it was derived off their racing engine for BMW back in 1985. So there you have it, 1985 BMW 625 CSI. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures down below this video. There's a link. Click on it. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, and you're welcome to check out the still pictures there. Look forward to hearing from you.